Good morning, class. I hope that all of you will be fine and safe at your home. And today we will see the remaining chapter. So first we will talk about it before and we will see it again. In previous video I have explained about inside our earth, what is inside our earth. Okay, we have seen only outside, we have not seen inside. And outside what we see a earth crust. And I have explained you before in previous video about the Earth's surface. And the Earth can be divided physically and chemically into three layers: crust, mantle, core. Clear? The first is crust, and the thickness of crust is 5 to 40 kilometer. Clear? Okay. And it is made up of Cl, silica and aluminium, Si for silica and Al for aluminium. And we have talked then about mantle. We have talked about its thickness. I hope on the screen you can see it clearly about its thickness. Clear? And all the things. And here you can see about the core. Crust, mantle and core. So in previous video we have completed till here, and in today's video we will start from here. Rocks and minerals. Clear? A rock can be defined as an aggregate of minerals. Okay class. Above I have written its synonym store. Store means collection, collect. Okay. Collection we can say a rock can be defined as if we will say store, then we will use as a store of minerals. Okay. And earth is made up of rocks and minerals. Earth is made up of rocks and minerals. Means we can say for during the making of earth, okay, we can say it's a mix up of minerals and rocks. The rocks forming the crust of the earth are in solid state. The rocks forming the crust of earth are in a solid state. Okay, so first we will see what is minerals. Here we have talked about minerals. That earth is made up of rocks and minerals. So let's see what is minerals. Minerals are solid substance. Minerals are solid substance that are present in nature and can be made of one element or more than one element. Okay, and also combine together chemical compounds, that is gold, silver and carbon are elements that form minerals on their own. Clear? These called minerals. Okay, now see the rocks forming. During the rocks forming, the earth crust, the layer of earth are in a solid state. Any mass of hard position of the earth's crust can be called as rock. Here mass means gather. Okay, gather means collection. Here we can use gather, G-A-T-H-E-R. Okay, any mass of hard position. The hard crust which is present on the earth can be called as rock. Clear? The hard crust can be called as rock. A collection of hard position which is present on earth crust. They make up most of the soft materials of the lithosphere. They make up means complete. Okay, they complete most of the soft materials of the lithosphere. In the lithosphere, in previous chapter we have talked about lithosphere. It's also called rock sphere. They complete most of the soft material, the material which present so fine materials present. Okay, they complete the lithosphere. It has no definite composition. Okay, definite means certain. Certain. You can write here certain. Certain composition. It has no certain or fixed. Fixed will be good. Fixed. Fixed composition. It has no fixed composition. Clear? And composition. What is the meaning of composition? Class. What is composition? Composition, you can say creation. Okay, creation. 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 Clear? Okay, means it has no definite fixed creation. Yes, most of the rocks are mixture of various minerals in different proportion. See, we have seen about earth layers that are crust, mantle and core. And in this we have talked about sema, silica and magnesium, neve, nickel and ferron means nickel and iron. Here you can see they have a proportion of mixing of composition. Okay, they have a proper proportion. Means in a limit they can take a part and another in another limit, and their composition after their mixing they create a new minerals or new product. Means it is very necessary to make a same thing. We have to take the same amount of the material for creating the same things. If we want to take the things, take the materials not in proper amount, not in given limit, then what happened? Then it will happen that the product will not be as it before. Okay, good. Now see, most of the rocks are mixture of various minerals in different proportion because there is no person who is mixing. This is natural reaction, and this natural reaction, okay, they own react with each other. So different rocks here, or we can say most of the rocks are mixture of various or different metals in different proportion, not in a particular area or not in a particular proportion. Rocks may be hard or soft. It's depend on the minerals, or we can say it's depend on the reaction according to the chemical or physical reaction. Its nature also changed. It may be hard or it may be soft also. It depends on the yes, it's depend on the physical reaction and the chemical reaction of the hardness and softness of the rocks. Clear? Yes, very. Now we will talk about the minerals. In the starting, when we have started in third para or second line, I have told you about the minerals, and here they again describe the minerals. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance having a definite chemical composition and physical properties. Means definite means fixed. Definite means fixed. F-I-X-E-D. X-E-D. Fixed. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance means the material which occurs naturally. Occurring means eventful. E-V-E-N-T-F-U-L. E-V-E-N-T-F-U-L. Eventful. Okay. In Hindi, it will called घटने वाला. Okay. So, the object which we got, which we occurring eventful or naturally, but in a definite, but in a fixed chemical and physical properties is known as minerals. A rock having a large proportion of a single mineral so that the minerals concerned can be extracted economically from it. First, I want to tell you that proportion means a ratio. R-A-T-I-O. Ratio means a rock having a large ratio of a single mineral. Here in the rock we have talked about ratio that most of the rocks are mixture of various minerals in a different proportion. Here we have seen means most of the rocks are mixture of various minerals in different ratio. But here we can see if here we have a condition, okay, a rock having a large proportion of a single minerals. It's a condition of a single mineral should be there in a large ratio. There will be many minerals, but a single minerals will be there in large ratio. So that minerals concerned means we can write here related. R-E-L-A-T-E-D. R-E-L-A-T-E-D. So that the mineral related can be extracted economically from it. Extracted means nikalna. Okay. Mention, we can also say mention, M-E-N-T-I-O-N. Extract or mention economically from it. Okay. We can take a proper minerals from it, and it is called an ore of that minerals, and it is called the ore, an ore of that minerals of a particular minerals. It is called its ore. In simple way, what is ore? Listen. Ore means a rock or earth from which metal can be taken. A a rock or earth from which metal can be taken. That is called ore. Means magnetite. Magnetite is an ore of iron, is an example of such rocks. Clear? Magnetite is an ore of which iron. Clear? Is an example of such rocks. Clear? I hope that you will understand. For remaining, let's see a video I will show you. You will easily understood it. Let's see.
Rocks and minerals. A rock can be defined as an aggregate of minerals. Earth is made up of rocks and minerals. The rocks forming the crust of the earth are in solid state. Any mass of a harder solution of rocks and minerals. A rock can be defined as an aggregate of minerals. Earth is made up of rocks and minerals. The rocks forming the crust of the earth are in solid state. Any mass of a harder position of the Earth's crust can be called a rock. A mineral is a naturally occurring substance having a definite chemical composition and physical properties. A rock having a large proportion of a single mineral so that the mineral concerned can be extracted economically from it is called an ore of that mineral. Magnetite, an ore of iron, is an example of such rocks. Rocks and minerals.
So here you have seen the example. I have shown you a video, and I hope that it will be very useful for you, that you will understand what is rocks and minerals. I have shown you examples also. Okay. Now the next heading is we will see about types of rocks. Okay. About types of rocks we will see. Now I will show you the types of rocks. Let's see. I will show you again. See.
Types of rocks. Rocks are usually classified into three main groups, depending on the way in which they have been formed. Igneous rocks. These rocks are also known as primary rocks because they are believed to be the first rocks formed on the earth. All other rocks are ultimately derived from igneous rocks. They cover a large percentage of the Earth's crust. These rocks continue to be formed even today. Molten material in the interior of the Earth is known as magma. When it comes out of the cracks in 100 kilometers deep layers through volcanoes, it is called lava, which on cooling forms igneous rocks on surface of the Earth. When these rocks are formed on the Earth, they are called extrusive rocks. Examples of such rocks are basalt and rhyolite. Intrusive rocks are those igneous rocks that solidify beneath the Earth's surface. Types of rocks.
In the types of rocks, in the video you have seen, okay, they have also explained about the igneous rock. Let's see, we will start from here. Rocks are usually classified into three main groups, depending on the way in which they have been formed. Clear? Rocks are usually classified into three main groups, depending on the way in which they have been formed. Means on their formation, on the process of their formation, and after completing the formation, they have divided in different types. Mostly they have divided into three types, that is igneous, sedimentary and metamorphic. Clear? Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks and metamorphics, about these we will see class. About these three rocks we will discuss on next video. Clear? And please, if you have the book, just go and read about the igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rock. And if you do not have the book, then let's see, I'm showing you the page. You can read it. Just go and take a clip and read it. Clear? Clear? Okay. Now I am going to give you some question that you will solve at your home. Okay, and in next video I will also ask you about these questions that have you solved or not. Okay, let's see. Today we have discussed about rocks and minerals. Okay, so I'm going to show you something. Clear class? On the screen you can see 3 questions is there. First is, what is rocks? Today we have talked about rocks and minerals. First question is, what is rocks? Second is, what is mineral? And third is, what is ore? Rocks, minerals and ore. Clear? And third question I can add here. Write the fourth question on the screen. You can see, write the types of the rocks. In the last of the video I have explained the types of the rocks. I have told you that it is divided in 3 parts. That is, that all 3 are you will write. Okay, rocks, minerals, ore and types of rocks. Clear? I hope that today whatever I have explained you will understand it well and write its doubts. If you have any query, doubts and question, you can send me the message, or in the Zoom class you can ask me. Clear class? Okay, and please complete your work in your previous year copy. You have no need to purchase a new copy. Okay, thank you.
Sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are formed through consolidation of sediments deposited in water bodies like rivers, lakes, and seas. The sediments are derived by denudation of the rocks by agents of erosion like rivers, glaciers, winds, and waves. These agents of erosion carry the eroded particles of rocks to the water bodies and deposit them there. Such deposited material is called sediment. Sedimentary rock. Sediment. Metamorphic rocks. The word metamorphic is derived from the Greek word metamorphosis, which means change of form. When existing igneous and sedimentary rocks change their chemical and physical form due to intense heat and pressure, they are known as metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks. The word